Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the unit supports Wi-Fi and that you have the Gree app ready. This saves time. Next, power the AC and put it into the Wi-Fi pairing state by pressing the Wi-Fi or connect button for about 3 to 5 seconds until the indicator blinks. Make sure your phone is connected to your 4 GHz network and turn off VPNs and any 5 GHz preference so the app can detect the AC. Once in pairing mode, open the Gree app and tap Add Device, selecting your exact AC model or the generic air conditioner option. This tells the app which protocol to use. Then enter your Wi-Fi SSID and password carefully, case matters, and prefer WPA2 security. Tap Connect and watch the app while the AC LED moves from rapid blink to slower or steady. That transition indicates the router and AC are negotiating and authenticating. If pairing seems slow, wait a minute. Finish by confirming the AC appears in the app, then give it a clear name and set basic schedules so you know the connection works. Test commands like power, mode, and temperature adjustments and expect the unit to respond within 5 to 10 seconds. That confirms proper cloud or local link. If something goes wrong, try one key troubleshooting tip. Reboot your router, move your phone within a few meters, and if needed, reset the AC Wi-Fi and repeat pairing to clear transient issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.